Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency actually is and why everyone keeps talking about it? You've probably heard words like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or blockchain, but what do they really mean? In this video, we're going to break down the idea of cryptocurrency in the simplest way possible. No jargon, no hype, just clarity. By the end, you'll understand what crypto is, how it works, and why it's changing the way we think about money. Welcome to Blockwise, where we make the world of crypto simple, structured, and easy to understand. Before we understand cryptocurrency, let's start with the money we already use. Traditional money, like dollars, euros, or rial, is issued and controlled by governments and central banks. When you send money online, it passes through banks, payment processors, or apps like PayPal. That means someone sits in the middle of every transaction. The problem is, you have to trust these intermediaries. They can freeze your funds, block transfers, or take a fee for every step. They also decide how much money exists. By printing more, they can cause inflation and reduce the value of your savings. Cryptocurrency was designed to solve that problem by creating a new kind of money that doesn't rely on banks, governments, or middlemen. A cryptocurrency is basically digital money that's built on a technology called blockchain. But what makes it special is that it's decentralized, meaning no single company or government controls it. Instead of one central authority keeping track of who owns what, thousands of computers around the world, called nodes, maintain a shared record of all transactions. That shared record is the blockchain, a public ledger that anyone can view, but no one can easily change. Imagine you and your friends keep a shared notebook of every transaction you make. Every time someone sends money, all of you check and agree that it's real before adding it to the notebook. That's what blockchain does, but on a global scale, with code and cryptography instead of handwriting. And because the record is stored across thousands of computers, there's no single point of failure. No one can secretly change it, hack one server, or print more coins out of thin air. Let's take Bitcoin as an example. When you send Bitcoin to someone, your transaction is broadcast to the network. Miners, specialized computers, verify it by solving cryptographic puzzles. Once verified, your transaction is grouped with others into a block, which is then added to the blockchain permanently. Every new block links to the previous one. That's why it's called a blockchain. Each block is time-stamped, verified by the network, and nearly impossible to change later. This process replaces the need for a bank or payment company to verify transactions. In other words, the network itself becomes the bank. Different cryptocurrencies use different methods for verification, like proof of work or proof of stake, but the idea is the same. Trust is built through math and transparency, not through institutions. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each trying to solve different problems or add new features. For example, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, programs that run automatically when conditions are met. Ripple focuses on fast international payments. Stablecoins like USDT or USDC are designed to keep a stable value, usually pegged to the dollar. And DeFi tokens aim to build a decentralized version of traditional finance, lending, borrowing, and trading without banks. Not all cryptocurrencies are valuable or legitimate. Some are experiments, others are scams. But together, they show how big and diverse this space has become. So why do cryptocurrencies have value? Just like gold or art, their value comes from scarcity, utility, and trust. Most cryptocurrencies have a limited supply. For example, Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins. That scarcity creates digital value, like digital gold. Then there's utility. People use crypto to send money globally, invest, build apps, or store wealth. And finally, trust. Because the blockchain is transparent and open source, anyone can verify that it works exactly as designed. So in short, value in crypto comes from people's belief in its scarcity, usefulness, and independence from traditional systems. Let's be honest, crypto isn't perfect. Its biggest advantages are freedom, transparency, and global access. Anyone with internet can use it, no permission needed. Transactions can happen 24/7 across borders in seconds. But there are challenges too. Prices are volatile, scams exist, and losing your private keys means losing your funds permanently. It's powerful technology, but it requires responsibility. That's why education matters, and that's exactly what we do here at Blockwise. So, what is cryptocurrency? It's not just digital money. It's a revolutionary way to transfer value and trust without intermediaries. It's global, transparent, and controlled by its users, not by banks or governments. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to Blockwise. We make crypto simple, from wallets and exchanges to blockchain and on-chain data. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll explain the difference between CEX and DEX, centralized and decentralized exchanges, and help you decide which one to use. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.